Hello and welcome everybody. In today's lesson we're going to talk about modal verbs. So the three main modal verbs in Hebrew are need, which is tzarich, can, yachol, and must, chayav. So when we have need or it's necessary to, we will use tzarich. So for the verb to need in present tense we'll have four conjugations. One for masculine singular, one for feminine singular, one for masculine plural, and one for feminine plural. The conjugation of masculine singular will be ani tzarich, ata tzarich, hu tzarich. For feminine singular it will be ani tzricha, at tzricha, hi tzricha. For masculine plural it will be anachnu tzrichim, atem tzrichim, hem tzrichim. For feminine plural it will be anachnu tzrichot, aten tzrichot, hen tzrichot. So if we're talking about can, could, or able to, so we will use yachol. And the conjugation of yachol, always, it also separates to four conjugations. And the conjugation for masculine singular will be ani yachol, ata yachol, hu yachol. For feminine singular, it's ani yechola, at yechola, hi yechola. For masculine plural, anachnu yecholim, atem yecholim, hem yecholim. For feminine plural, anachnu yecholot, aten yecholot, hen yecholot. So when we say must or have to, but have to, we need to be careful about this. So chayav will be used actually in something that we must do. We're obliged to do it. And it also used when we owe someone money. For example, somebody owes us money, or we owe something to someone, or we must do something. And this one will be chayav. And the conjugation will be for masculine singular ani chayav, ata chayav, hu chayav. Ani chayevet, at chayevet, hi חייבת, אנחנו חייבים, אתם חייבים, הם חייבים, אנחנו חייבות, אתן חייבות, הן חייבות. It's necessary to go home. צריך ללכת הביתה. It's necessary to buy milk. צריך לקנות חלב. It's necessary to go to the store. צריך ללכת לחנות. It's necessary to go to the store to buy milk. צריך ללכת לחנות לקנות חלב. It's not necessary. לא צריך. Nothing is necessary. לא צריך כלום. Or לא צריך שום דבר. It's not necessary to buy nothing. I know in English it doesn't make sense, in Hebrew it makes perfect sense. לא צריך לקנות שום דבר. I need it. אני צריך את זה. I don't need it. אני לא צריך את זה. I need it. אני צריכה את זה. I don't need it. אני לא צריכה את זה. We need it. אנחנו צריכים את זה. We don't need it. אנחנו לא צריכים את זה. We need it. אנחנו צריכות את זה. We don't need it. אנחנו לא צריכות את זה. It's not necessary to do nothing. לא צריך לעשות כלום. I thought that I don't need to do it. חשבתי שאני לא צריך לעשות את זה. I thought that you've done that. חשבתי שעשית את זה. Okay, thank you so much for your attention, guys. So in this lesson we actually talked about the modal verb need. So in the next lesson we're going to learn how to say I had or should have done something. So I hope that you found this video educating. If you did, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. And I'll see you guys next time.